Welcome everyone to Word Asylum. I'm going to kick this off with I'm not doing any political show. Come on, I've had enough of politics. And we're doing election night Word Asylum next time, so we'll be political then.
Yeah. It'll be too late to vote then.
Okay, I'm going to start off with a poem that I wrote about jumping from a plane incredibly high and hitting the floor. I've never done it, so this is kind of how I envisage it. It's called Atmospheric Dynamics. Liquid calcium bones, cat life number 7. Balloon stretching, scraping heavens. Oh good heavens, my spine is heavy and my tongue's made of leather. It's time to dive. Sky high air pressure, super low with cold slipping through my soul. Head's about to explode, wristwatch is alright, it's Casio, Indiglo. I can't reach the button though. Twisting, swollen wrists, heels are tingling, blood is fizzing, particles whizzing past. Super fast, too fast, ears bursting, lungs are hurting, hurtling, unconscious, responseless. Spiral falling, helpless leaf. Twisting corkscrew breaking human speed limit. Insane vortex with dreamy dizzy me in it. In my dream I'm in a fizzy sea swimming, descending. Awake! Fuck! I'm still falling. Newton's given me warning. Ultimate warning. Falling. Terminal velocity, eyelids frosty, horizon spinning, sun dawning between my knees. Permanently reverse yawning, gravity clawing, twirling, whirling, screaming, vapor, rapid breathing, crashing through God's glorious ceiling. Thickening air with altitude, decreasing, fast. Friction, increasing, fast. Land in picture, sky in picture, Mother Nature's dormant sisters twinkle in the distance. Air resistance, temperature shifting, face rippling, beard is whistling. Ripcord needs ripping, where the fuck is it? Gripping, rip it. Suddenly lifting, feels like I'm lifting. Parachute lifting, intestines untwisting. Parachute drifting, adrenal glands still blistering. Drifting. I'm compelled to sing with a hedonistic grin. I just did 800 miles an hour on my chin with no engines and no wings. Now I'm floating on an upside down tent on some strings. The little things. Pretty painted pictures, drifting. Pretty pictures, distant sea glistening. Panoramic beauty on milestone duty, drifting. Marker in vision. Visor's misted up, jumpsuit is itching, no room for a rash decision, going for precision with feet in crash position. Touchdown, heels wound the ground, souls make friction, roll around. Choose ambition as an addiction, I made it down, end of mission.
TripAdvisor.
So I do it so much. I don't want to do that. I'm going to do one about falling off my bike, and then I'm going to pass you on to the next person. So yeah, I came off my bike about a year ago, and I went to the Wells Hotel, blood gushing out of me, and I wrote this poem while I was there. It's called Concrete Bouncing Jelly Man. Sudden abrupt halt, inertia fed vault. I attempt a stuntman somersault as my bike goes wibbly wobbly on the asphalt. Legs akimbo as my bike does limbo. Happens so fast but my adrenaline makes it slow. I think so fast I react but I don't even know. Hands hit the ground, guts are in my feet. Elbow grating, knee wounding, heel busting, commando roll up the fucking street. Pedal bust my shin like a Stanley through warm butter. I muster up a grin and my heart flutters as I thank my lucky stars and say, Twamley, get your mucky ass out the gutter. Rip my fucking Adidas tights. I wanted to wear them out tonight. Back on the bike, off to lick my wounds, check my pride and tell a well-wisher I'm feeling alright. Go to eat pizza with my fellow creatures with a black mirror as the main feature. Not a heavy bleeder, not keen on sympathy either. I'm off to let my knee heal till Easter. No longer feeling agile on my fragile trip home, dripping blood on the road as I gingerly go, hoping the blood trail doesn't lead vampires to my humble abode. Wound washed and dressed as I settle to rest, indigo flame still burning in my chest. Take a deep breath. Only a wound of the flesh, sore while fresh, oozing and weeping every time it gets stretched. Each beautiful tumble is like Russian roulette. Judo skills and lady luck haven't let me down yet. But there's a constant rumble behind the door of death. I must be humble to keep exploring the edge. When's it my turn? Is it my turn next? Thank you.